Wait. Alright, so how did we get here? Let's back up just a little bit.
I think we're going to have some fun, so stick around.
Okay, I think that's far enough. So originally, this video was supposed to be about the differences between overlanding and off-roading. However, 30 minutes into our morning, I suffered a catastrophic failure that brought our day to a screeching halt. Okay, so here's what happened. As you watch my left front tire trying to get over this, right there, when I came down on it, I actually snapped my brake line right off the left front wheel because it had gotten caught up in the coil spring. Although I didn't know that until I tried to come to a stop, it's a very scary situation.
My name is Steven. I'm here from Brother By Nature. Idiot on the trails out here.
Welcome to Yasma Productions.
Jeeping for Beginners 1. How do...
So with the help of my buddy Stevens, who's an avid Jeeper as well as a fellow YouTuber, we were able to get the brake line off the front of the Jeep.
This is a 6-inch extended brake on a 2.5-inch lift, and I still overextended it and snapped it right off. Why? Because I'm that good.
What'd you say? Oh no, this is mustard. I was eating before and I got mustard on my shirt.
Dude, don't do it! It's brake fluid!
Why would you put brake fluid in the Gatorade bag?
I didn't put it in there. I
Dude,
just
really?
transported it
In
that
a
way.
Gatorade bottle? Brake fluid?
So after waiting 5 hours to get the parts up to the Jeep and get started on this repair, we started noticing that they're not exactly the same lines, and so we were worried about how they were going to fit.
You see what I'm saying? That none of them are going to work?
That way.
So
You
is
put
there
away.
any reason that you can't run your brake lines like that? That you can think of? I mean, originally the extended come down, they follow the factory path, and then come up here. That's why they have that bend on them. Why not?
Because it just doesn't look right aesthetic.
That is accurate.
As long as it'll get it
Because we
home.
have to care about the aesthetics.
I love his glasses.
I hope so. They're yours. It's like, I wonder how often you're supposed to replace these anyway. So 9, 10, 11, and then to 13.
Dude,
What kind of Chinese crap is this?
husky.
Ready? Go ahead. Pump it up.
Tight.
Ready?
Yeah.
And open. Closed. The part that sucks is when you're out in the middle of God's country, which is literally nowhere. It takes 5 hours to wait on a part to arrive so that you can fix it, to debate whether or not we're going to continue wheeling. But if that's the worst that happens, I can live with that.
Sometimes a day off-roading consists of repairing your vehicle so that you can make it home. But hey, it could have been a whole lot worse. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching. Once again, my name is Josh. This is Jeeping for Beginners, and I am still going to make the video on the differences between off-roading and overlanding, even though we had a hiccup this past weekend. So please look for that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so that you know when the next video is going to come out. And as a reminder, you never want to go out on the trails alone, because situations like this would have been so much worse without a support system with you. So stay safe out there, guys. Happy Jeeping, and we will see you next time.